Number 5 says that water is running out of a pond through a drain pipe. The amount of water in gallons in the pond 2 minutes after the water began draining is given by the function g. And they want us to first explain the meaning of dg over dt in practical terms. So dg over dt, that's going to tell us the change. Measured in gallons. In the amount of water in the pond that we would expect over 1 minute's time. Part B says, while water is running out of the pond, do you expect dg over dt to be positive or negative? Well, if we're losing water, then that's going to be negative. Part C says, when t is equal to 30, water is running out of the drain pipe at a rate of 8,000 gallons per minute. What is the value of dg over dt? So this is going to be negative 8,000 gallons per minute. And then lastly, part D says, when t is equal to 30, there are 2 million gallons of water in the pond. Using the information from part C, estimate the value of g of 35. Okay, so we know that 2 million is our starting point, and the 35, g of 35 means that it's 5, this will be minutes after the start point. So that means I need to subtract 8,000 5 times. So I'm going to put plus 5 times negative 8,000. So that's going to subtract the 8,000 5 times. And you should get 1,960,000. And this will be gallons. And that'll be our answer.